What's up, everybody? Today I have something pretty cool. My friends from Japan, Tokyo Treat, have sent me a box of Japanese candy and I think one drink to review. Let's just tear right in and see what's inside. I will give the honors of opening it to my wife. All right. So the box came all the way from Japan. Wow, look at that real quick. That's pretty cool. It says, treat yourself, spread the love, post and tag, hashtag Tokyo Treat, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram / Tokyo Treat. Some of these candies or snacks are gonna be strictly from Japan. You won't see them anywhere else. And other ones you might recognize, but they might be specifically made for the Japanese market. The first thing we're gonna grab, because actually I'm hungry, is lemon flavored potato chips. Let's give it a try. Oh, they're definitely potato chips. Oh wow, they are zesty lemon flavor. These are amazing, wow. Next we have limited edition Doritos from Japan. Now normally I am not a Doritos guy. For you guys, I will go ahead and try some. Well, let's see. The flavor is sour cream and onion. Ooh, check this out. It's a watermelon flavored soda, maybe. I am thirsty. Like, whoa, that's been in the shaking around for a while. Wow, that actually tastes like watermelon. It's really good. I'm gonna save that because Natasha wants to try some. Next, we have something called soba meshi. Oh, it's like a dried rice kernel type stuff. All right, ready? Let's give it a try. It actually tastes a little bit like soy sauce, hints of tomato or something. Natasha's already given me a look, so I better put that one away because I think she wants that one. Next, we have something that I cannot tell at all what it is. Oh, it's some kind of like a stick of something or other. The flavor is like onion and something. Really not my favorite, so I'm gonna pass that one. We have something in here called fried potato. That's pretty much the only thing I can distinguish. It says USA on it, but it's all Japanese writing. And it's got, I think, what is a Japanese Mr. Potato Head. So let's zoom in on that one. All right, let's give this a try. Oh, they're like potato sticks, I see. Not my favorite. Popcorn, maybe? Japanese popcorn? Okay, here we go. All right, so this one is not my favorite. We're gonna skip it for something more tasty. This is cheese, it says. That's the only thing I can read. Maybe cheese potato chips? They're like those air puff type of potato chips or something, but they don't taste like potato chips. These are not that bad, but let's get to something else. All right, here is something that, again, I don't know remotely what it is. Oh, it's like a cookie. This is some kind of a vanilla cookie, and it's really, really, really good. This one, definitely, I am not sharing. We still got a bunch of stuff to go, all right? This is just some kind of crazy, wacky stick. Whoa, it's like licorice, maybe? It actually tastes like bubblegum. Oh, it's really good. Let's move on to something else. Okay, next we have these fish cookies, maybe? It's literally one big fish cookie. I take it back. I do not like this. It has some kind of a minty flavor. It actually kind of reminds me of a macaroon, but I skip. This is some kind of a chocolate bar, I guess. There it is. It's chocolate, cream filling with like a cookie layer, and inside is some kind of a raspberry pudding. This is really good, and I have to leave half for Natasha, otherwise she will be mad. I don't know what this is. There's a picture of like what looks like a guy who's made of wasabi. Oh my god. I think I just broke my tooth. This is a wasabi stick. This is like beef jerky made from fish with wasabi and soy sauce. Cool, but not really my favorite. So here we are on our final item. This is a polar bear holding 2 watermelons, because we all know that polar bears love watermelon. Oh wow, that is definitely watermelon-y. They're really good. They taste like watermelon, but they're extremely mushy and soft and not for me. Let's get to those things we pushed off earlier because they were chocolate. We wanted to save them for the end. So the first is the Pocky Chocolate Mint, a thing that happens to look like cigarettes. Oh, they come in packs. Okay, so here we go. Let's take one out. To me, this looks like a cigarette. Okay, let's just give it a try. It's mint on the outside and chocolate on the inside, but it's dry and crunchy. It's like a chocolate mint cookie. And moving on to the last thing, this is some kind of a caramel or milk nougat surrounded by chocolate. There's the back. You can't read anything anyways. There it is. Okay. So I have to say this has been probably my favorite of the chocolates. All right, friends, so if you're interested in some Japanese candy and you'd like to order, go down into the description, follow the links, and you can order a box for yourself. They can do monthly deliveries for you. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this, which really means I have to share with my wife because, well, I can't keep it all for myself. So, thanks for watching, and goodbye. Thank you, Tokyo Treat.